That was a dream. But what is a dream? A dream is a series of images accompanied with emotions, concepts, and other phenomena that are universally experienced during a subconscious state. Today, we're going to take a tiny peek into the scientific study of dreams, oneirology. Dreams create a feeling of reality when nothing is occurring. Dreams could be a way of processing recent events. We dream about 3 to 6 times per night, lasting 5 to 20 minutes, but 95% of our dreams are forgotten. Dreams could be interpretations of erratic signals from the brain. Dreaming highly depends on REM sleep, but is not limited to the REM period. REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, is stage 5 of sleep and accounts for about 20 to 25% of sleep time. It is a period of sleep in which every part of the body is paralyzed except the eyes, which are rapidly moving. Nerve cells fire erratically as if awake. REM sleep is very paradoxical because the whole body is paralyzed, but the brain acts as if it's awake. Now let's get into the parts of the brain involved in dreaming. All parts of the brain are active during dreaming, but it is important to know that some parts are either excited or suppressed. Let's see what we can find in my basket of brain regions. First is the amygdala, responsible for emotional memory and responses. And what do we have here? The dentate gyrus, which plays a role in the formation of memories. Oh, and the hippocampus, which converts short-term memory to long-term memory. Yeah, not a brain region. Other than the brain regions in my basket, there's also a couple other ones that I'd like to talk about. The visual cortex is on, allowing for interpretation of visual aspects of dreams. That's why you can see rainbows, you running away from a monster, or that fail on your test paper. The cortex of the brain is important for the content of dreams. This is similar to the storyline of a movie. The least active areas in dreaming are areas of the frontal lobe, which are responsible for cognitive skills and analytical thinking. This is why dreams can tend to be really irrational. Now that we've talked about structures involved in dreaming, why don't we dig even deeper into the genes that are responsible for dreaming? A combination of many genes and biological molecules allow for dreams to take place. The dream genes, CHRM1 and CHRM2, cause REM sleep, and REM sleep is where most of dreams take place. Serotonin 5-HTTA creates bizarre experiences during dreaming because it suppresses the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for cognitive abilities and reason. Interactions between neurons and neural activity in general produce something called neural oscillations, or brainwaves. Dreaming is associated with a specific kind of brainwave, theta wave, which has a frequency of about 4 to 7 hertz. This is one step above sleep waves, or delta waves, which have a frequency of about 0.5 to 4 hertz. This tells us that dreaming is associated with a higher level of neural activity compared to sleeping. Research makes use of electroencephalograms, or EEGs, to monitor this type of brain activity. Now that we know more about dreams, researchers are trying to find out exactly what is the purpose of dreams. So far, we have it that dreams help sort out experiences and things we've learned. It also helps aid in better memory. Now that you know a little bit more about the science of dreams, I wish you good night and sweet dreams.